Okay, hello and welcome, Chris here, and in this video we're going to talk about the campaign zip file. And this is an important file because essentially it connects the Zen affiliate software via the export page with the Zen Video Creator and also the Zen WordPress theme. So essentially what we're going to do is create a campaign within Zen Affiliate. We're going to find some niches on the Browse Niches page, go and research products, add those products to the campaigns page, and then export a campaign, a zip file called something like Top Whey Protein 2017. And then this file is going to be the file that will then import into Zen Video to create a video and the Zen WordPress theme to create an article. Now, campaigns should really be focused on a particular niche or a keyword or a concept, and really think of it in terms of a best of list. So people love these best of lists. If you go to YouTube, as I've shown you before, you can put in top drones with camera, top protein powders, top protein supplements, top protein bars, top protein foods, so there's just tons and tons of variations of these, but really think in terms of the kind of top this or top that you're going to find, and that is basically what we're going to want to name our campaign. And of course, if that's the name of the campaign, it also means that those are the products that we're going to want to add. So we also need to have that in mind when we're adding products on the research page, and we want to have that in mind when we're going through and adding products and to actually export on the campaigns page as well. So a few possible ideas as to how to come up with a name for this campaign. Firstly, look at the products that you actually have. So if you go to the products, then you'll see that some of them are, let's say baby strollers. Well, this is a baby stroller, but also look at the price, so baby strollers under $1,000. Look at some of the features. Opens and closes at the push of a button, and has a sensor, so maybe best baby strollers with sensors. A fitness tracker, best baby stroller fitness tracker. Look at the actual products that you have and build up a list that fits with those products. So you can look at the products you have. As I've shown you, you can go to YouTube and put in best, just put in baby stroller and see what comes up. So top baby stroller, start putting some letters in, and see what comes up. Baby stroller travel system, but potentially that could be a top baby stroller travel system, but you kind of get the idea. So you can use YouTube suggested searches. The other thing, of course, that you can do is use the title of other videos. So if I just go in and put in top baby strollers 2016, then you can see that some of these best travel system strollers. So maybe we could call it travel system, a car seat stroller combo. So maybe that's something that we should look at as well. And we can kind of scroll through these and look at some of pretty good views as well, 100,000 views. Let me just have a look at this one actually. So you can see this has got 100,000 views, and let me just skip this ad. So yeah, if I look at this one, this is very similar to what we're doing. This is like a top 10 best stroller travel system. So if I was going to target strollers, then I would probably add all of the strollers here. And then I would consider, and obviously I've got more than just that here, I would consider it giving a name similar to this. So best stroller travel systems 2016. So maybe something like that. Maybe top 10 best stroller travel system 2016 2017. And so that's kind of another way that you can come up with what the campaign should be called by looking at the titles of other people's videos. As I say though, this is really kind of something that bleeds into not just this step, but also step 1 and step 2 and step 3. We're going to be looking at niches, adding products on the research page, and then exporting them from the campaigns page. So if you kind of get to the campaigns page, you're about to do an export, and then you realize you don't know what to call your campaign, then perhaps you should have thought about it a bit earlier on. So anyway, you're going to come up with a campaign name. It's going to be something like top smartphones under $100, top travel baby strollers, toughest iPhone 7 cases, that kind of thing. It's basically going to be a best of list, and that's going to be the name of your campaign file. So you're going to want to add products that fall into that kind of top 10 and then export that file. And then we import that into the Zen Video via OpenZip and the Zen WordPress theme via the import feature on there. And I'll talk about that, of course, in those videos as I go through. So like I say, you're just going to want to go over to the campaigns page, add all of your products to the clipboard, remove the ones you don't want, go up to export, and then export that zip file basically. Also, you can actually edit the zip file and edit some of the things. So you can export the file, edit it, and then you can kind of import it, and it will use some of those features. So actually, let me go over to this one here, which I've pre-created, the top VR headsets January 2017, and let me just open the zip file up, and you can see how this looks. We actually have a text file, we have a CSV file, we have some images, and we also have well, that's pretty much it. So let me just actually extract this. In fact, no, I don't need to extract this. Let me just double click here, and you'll be able to see how the text looks. So you can see this is essentially, our text paragraph. And by the way, you can use this as a voiceover, so you can import the zip file into Zen Video and create a video, and you can also import give this to a voiceover person who can record this as a voiceover. You then put that over your video, and you've got a professional video with voiceover animation. But let me just open up these CSV files so you can actually see how this matches up with the data that we've entered. And of course, you can edit this, put it back in the zip file, and then import the zip file if you're so inclined. So I'm just going to wait for this to open up. And let me just click OK. And you can see this is the data that we have within our file. We have the product name, we have the rating, the URL we put in, the image, the type of the product, the price, and the +1, the -1, etc., etc. So you can, of course, edit this if you so choose before importing that file into the Zen Video and the Zen WordPress theme. A bit kind of advanced there, but I just wanted to show you how the zip file looks and how it kind of works to connect Zen Affiliate with Zen Video and the WordPress theme. So I think that pretty much covers it. A bit of a random video here between the steps, but I did want to talk in detail about the campaign zip file. It is an important step, and it's important that we kind of go through it in some detail, which hopefully we've done. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.